If you're serious about skincare, you've probably invested in serums, moisturizers, and anti-aging treatments. But what if one of the biggest contributors to facial wrinkles happens while you're asleep? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Nurse Jamie Beauty Bare Memory Foam Skincare Pillow, a unique beauty pillow designed to help reduce facial compression during sleep and minimize the appearance of sleep lines and morning creases. Unlike traditional pillows that can press your face against the fabric for hours each night, the Beauty Bare features a patented U-shaped design that cradles your face, neck, and head while reducing pressure on delicate skin. According to the manufacturer, this design may help minimize sleep wrinkles, facial puffiness, and product transfer from your skincare routine onto your pillowcase. One of the most distinctive features of the Beauty Bare pillow is its premium memory foam construction. The memory foam adapts to the contours of your head and neck, providing personalized support while helping maintain proper sleep alignment. The pillow is available with silky satin or breathable bamboo pillowcase options, allowing users to choose based on their comfort preferences. Satin pillowcases are promoted for reducing friction on skin and hair, while bamboo covers are designed to be breathable and moisture-wicking for cooler sleep. The idea behind beauty pillows has gained popularity in recent years because dermatologists and skincare experts often point out that repeated facial compression during sleep may contribute to the development of sleep lines over time. Specialized pillows like the Beauty Bare are designed to reduce that pressure by supporting the face in a way that limits direct contact with traditional pillow surfaces. Several beauty publications have highlighted the pillow's innovative U-shaped design and its focus on helping side sleepers protect their skin while sleeping. Another benefit frequently mentioned by users is comfort. Many side sleepers struggle to find a pillow that provides both neck support and skincare benefits. The Beauty Bare attempts to combine these goals by supporting the neck and spine while reducing pressure on the cheeks and facial areas. The pillow is also marketed as compact and travel-friendly, making it easy to bring along when traveling so users can maintain their nighttime skincare routine wherever they go. Of course, it's important to maintain realistic expectations. No pillow can completely eliminate wrinkles or reverse existing signs of aging. However, reducing repeated facial compression may help minimize the appearance of new sleep lines over time when combined with a consistent skincare routine, sun protection, and healthy lifestyle habits. Experts generally recommend viewing beauty pillows as one part of a broader skincare strategy rather than a standalone anti-aging solution. In conclusion, the Nurse Jamie Beauty Bare Memory Foam Skincare Pillow offers a unique approach to overnight skincare support through its patented U-shaped design, memory foam construction, and skin-friendly pillowcase options. Whether you're concerned about sleep wrinkles, facial compression, or simply looking for a more skincare-focused sleep setup, this pillow may be an interesting option to explore. As always, researching customer reviews, considering your sleeping style, and evaluating your personal comfort preferences can help determine whether the Beauty Bare is the right addition to your beauty routine.